Hey TCG fans, today I'm going to be opening up a Skeledirge EX Premium Collection box for Paldean Fates. I picked this up at a local game store, so yeah, let's give it a crack open here, see what we can get out of it. I haven't opened up any Paldean Fates. This is my first time. I did pick skeledirge to be my starter in the TCG, or in the the video game, for Scarlet and Violet. So let's take a look at these promos here that we get free. You get this big ol' Skeledirge EX card, which is cool. Get this smaller one. They're all shiny too. Shiny card and shiny Pokemon. Crocolore and Flacoco. Very nice cards. Here's what we came here for though. All of the booster packs. How many does it come with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs of Paldean Fates. Oh, that's cool. You get a card holder for all of your cards here. Beautiful. Card holder. You can open it up from the top. You just slide your cards in, put it back, and I think you put it in here. I'm not sure, but we will definitely be putting the best pulls in. Alrighty, let's open the packs. Fido, Haunter, Natu, Paldean Wooper, Curlia, TM Machine Crisis Punch, Grappalock, Cottony, Paldean Student, and Foil Executor. You can pull Charizard from this, and Charizard is my favorite Pokemon. Toedscroll, Woobat, Fancy, Dedenne, Grappalock, Iono, Kilowattrel, Shiny Slowbro, that's a nice hit right there, Fido, and Magmortar. That Shiny Slowbro is really cool. That's going to go in the binder. Lapras, Scraggy, Mime Jr., Maschiff, Lantern, Primeape, Whimsicott, Shiny Primeape, that's a cool card, Electric Generator, and Cyclozar. Paldean Wooper, Tandemaus, Mankey, Flittle, Clive, Primeape, Ultra Ball, Revavroom, Heat Rotom, and Revavroom Hollow. 4 packs left. See if we can get a big hit here. Nemona, Charmander, Rare Candy, Frigibax, Camerupt, Atticus, Donphan, TM Crisis Punch, a foil a reverse alternate art of Wugtrio, and it's shiny too. Nice. That's a good hit right there. And Raichu. I do love me some Wugtrio. That is a goated card. Scraggy, Gimme Ghoul, Magmar, Nimona, Clive, Oinkologne, Moonlit Hill, Shiny Luxio. Damn, I'm getting a lot of shinies. Nimona, and Magmortar again. Lechonk, Charcadet, Cloudpuss, Varoom, Camerupt, Scrafty, Swoobat, Shiny Luxray, nice, Noibat, and Ceruledge. Alright, last pack. Last pack magic. Gimme Ghoul, Magmar, Nimona, Charmander, Mousehold, Ultra Ball, Oinkologne, Woobat, Paldean Wooper, and Golden Go. Well, nothing too exciting from that box, but we did get a couple shinies here. Shiny Luxray, Shiny Luxio, Alternate Art of Wugtrio, and that's shiny. Shiny Primeape, and the shiny Slowbro. So yeah, not too bad of a haul here. Some good cards. I was hoping for maybe a bigger hit, maybe like a Charizard or something, but we did get these really cool 3 free promos too. So I can't complain. Alrighty, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you like it, give it a like, follow the Instagram in the bio, and have a good rest of your day.